Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Brianna, or you can call me Brie, and today we're gonna be unboxing some Kylie Bratz collab. I only have two because these have been extremely hard to find, and they do come, oh, it doesn't show what they come with, but there's several different Kylie Bratz you can find, and I'm really trying to find the one with the off-white collab, well, where she's dressing in the off-white gown. But yeah, we'll see what we get. So let's see what we get. Starting with the first one that we have. It's already open, sadly, so maybe there's nothing in here for all we know. Maybe I should just open it from the bottom. I'm just gonna little ads in there. And then this is beautiful glitter purplish box. This is Kylie. Cute. And now we just open. It popped out. Let me see what it was. Okay, so on the paper it had a little mini poster. Cute. And then the back it says all the possible dolls of Kylie we can get. Let's see what we got. We got some pink Kylie lips. So tiny. And this packaging, so cute. And we got the little purple Kylie. Let's see if we're gonna get the same item on the next one or something different. It just makes me so sad ripping these boxes. It's going on like this. I bet you it's a car. So we got the hat. You know what that means. We got her in the beautiful gown. And also, you can put them in these little stands as a display, but I wouldn't use them. I wanted with a little cap. And the next video will be showing my cousin this, so that he can have this Kylie while I have the other Kylie. Okay.
I'm scared.
Why? There's nothing bad, Rudy.
I know, but I don't like surprises.
Okay, but it's gonna be for you, okay? Okay, go.
What do I go with that? Just open my eyes. Wait, is this a freaking one?
Yeah.
Where's the can?
Right next to you.
This is fire. Wait,
You can open it.
I can't open it.
Yeah, because a lot of people open them.
I was about to say, but can I open them?
I didn't open mine.
You open yours? What did you get?
I got the purple gala one and kisses.
So you're still missing the part?
Yeah.
Oh, it's gonna be fire. know, but it still doesn't fit such a big head. Yeah, it doesn't fit on her.
Maybe only is for standing.
Well, this is fire. Thank you.
You're welcome. Here is a quick glimpse of how they look. They're just so cute.